Okay, guys, I finally found an AI that you can use to build a backend or a REST API or anything backend that you need to build for your application. Before trying this AI, I tried Cloud 4 and it wasn't that perfect because I had to fix many errors and I didn't even complete the application. But with this one, I built the API from scratch and tested it and it's working. And the advantage about it is that look at this. You have 1,048,576 tokens. I only used 20,475 tokens. That is 1,048,000 out of the 1 million tokens, which means I didn't even reach a quarter of the token. I think this one is a good AI for backend. So I'll show you what I did. So let me go here. I asked it to create a REST API for a fitness application using Django REST Framework. For the code generation command, I asked it to use a full stop in the start project command and write complete code for all the pages so that I could just copy and paste to my Visual Studio Code. Document the app using the API using Redoc and Swagger UI. Okay, and this is what it did. Okay, so instructions for setting up the project, the code here, you can just copy and paste in your project, everything. Okay, so I copied this. This is just for testing. Forget about that. So this is where the code ends. So from here going upwards, this is the code. And let me show you. I copied the code and pasted in my VS Code. This is the API now, and I'm going to show you the output. So this is the what the API looks like. So we have an endpoint for API exercises list, API create exercise create. You can create an exercise for yourself, retrieve, update, like just post, get, put, delete, patch, everything. So I think this is the best AI for generating code for your backend. I would recommend this one actually over Cloud because with Cloud you have to fix so many errors and also it gives you limited tokens, so you can deplete the token very fast and get stranded. But with this one you have 1,48,000 token. I don't know what project you'll be building to finish this token. And by the way, these tokens, every project has 1 million token. Like if I were to create a new chart, you'll see it's 0 out of 1 million. Okay, so this AI is called Google AI Studio. You just come to Google AI Studio, then chat prompt, then you can ask it what you want it to build. So let me show you what I built again. I built okay, so this is what I asked it. Here, create a REST API for a fitness application using Django REST Framework. Use that. These were just some instructions for my custom API. So I know some things about Django. That's my backend language. So that's why I customize it the way I like. Basically, that's it. That's how you can build a backend with AI.